Forgot my coffee. Well, we had a pin come out of the thumb on the excavator, so I had to fix that. Sorry, I didn't record it. Let me get you guys over here so you get a different view. Battery died again, and of course, you know, I wasn't paying attention. But you can see, got quite a bit done. I realized the house used to come out to here. Taking all that out, there's a concrete foundation under part of this house. Didn't know it was here, so we have to deal with that. The rest of it, as you can see, is pier and beam, so it's got a bunch of piers we'll have to pull out. Well, I don't know. We've got, I don't know, maybe half the house gone. And get you set back up over here. And we'll get back to work. Oh, and another thing, one full dumpster. That dumpster is almost full. And I'm not going to say their name. You guys can figure out who the dumpster service is, but now they're telling me they can't dump these and bring them back until Friday. So I lost a day yesterday waiting on dumpsters. They never showed up. Now I'm going to lose tomorrow because they can't get to it. It's very frustrating. So you guys, you know who you are, do better. Sorry, every time I'm not paying attention to the house and we're doing a demo, before we get started again, I always go back through there and, you know, make sure somebody didn't get in there poking around and end up getting crushed. But I was thinking about it, and I'm gonna rant a little about this dumpster. So the city of Greenville has a contract with this disposal company, and they won't allow any other dumpster service inside the city limits. Now that's fine, I understand, you know, I get it. What I don't understand is they're charging an absolute premium for these 30-yard dumpsters. I'm talking double what I can get them for with any other company around that's doing dumpster service. They're charging double for it, which I don't like, but hey, you know, everybody's trying to make a dollar. But if you're going to charge a premium price for something that I could do myself or I could hire somebody half price for, you should at least have fast service. Like when I call you and say, I got a full dumpster, come bring me another one, you should, within reason, couple hours, come do that. Not doing it at all. And I've even had the conversation with these folks like, listen, I'm demoing a house. I'm gonna fill these dumpsters in like an hour. So drop it off in the morning, come pick it up at lunch. No, can't do that. You have to call us when it's full and then we'll come get it. So, all right, so I did that this morning. Can't get there till Friday, sorry. So again, I'm not gonna say who they are. You guys can figure it out, but it is really, it's a monopoly is what it is. And it's just a racket. I don't agree with it. But who am I? So I'm gonna get back on the excavator and do what I know how to do. Dumpsters. Dumpsters. right, guys, that is a wrap on day 2. Most of the house is gone. Turn around and show you. So let me back up over here. So this was the front corner. Sorry. That was the front corner of the house. So all that part of the house is gone. Just that little piece there left. Little pile. I was gonna cram it on the trailer, but I gotta drive all the way back to Frisco, so I didn't want to overload myself. So all that's left of the house is a kitchen, a living room, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. Both dumpsters are full. You can see that one over there. This one over here, both full. And when you know, the company says they can't pick it up until Friday, so even though I'm not supposed to, I just loaded my trailer up and we're gonna start hauling it out my way. So anyway, that's a wrap for today. We'll see you guys next time I'm out here.